At Leadtek Display, we specialize in providing customized display solutions, including TFT displays, rugged displays, reflective/transflective displays, and smart displays. To ensure superior product quality and reliability, our manufacturing process integrates both module assembly and post-lamination steps with rigorous quality standards. Our module assembly process uses advanced equipment and process control to precisely align and bond display components. Automated bonding processes for chip-on-glass (COG), flexible-on-glass (FOG), and flexible printed circuit (FPC) connections, with rigorous AOI, automated optical inspection. Finally, we perform electrical and optical testing to verify display performance, including touch functionality, brightness, and uniformity. All precision module assembly and final film lamination process steps are performed in a Class 10 to 1000 cleanroom environment to prevent particle contamination, ensuring product quality and consistency. Applying optical films, e.g. polarizers, or functional adhesives, e.g. OCA, using vacuum lamination or roller lamination equipment. Ensuring bubble-free bonding and optical uniformity. Attaching temporary protective films to prevent scratches and contamination during subsequent processing and transportation. Our displays are fully customizable to fit the unique needs of your project. Feel free to contact us for more information.